Kua puta te kōrero I te toi hau mo te poari tohu ia o Rangatamariki I ona āwhero nui mo o Rangatamariki. Hei tātā Mark Solomon me Panoni a o Rangatamariki a rātau tikanga whātoro atu ki ngā hapori Māori. Ka mutu me ko tahi mai anō e rā atu tari ka wanatanga anō hoki. Anei anō, a muri wai hei.
Hei tā Mark Solomon me tini ngā tūkanga o Rangatamariki.
But it needs a change in the attitude on the way that they work with community. If I can sum it up the best, an old man in Rotorua said to us, well, boy, we bought the ticket. We signed an MOU with OT. We used that ticket to hop on the carriage. But the problem has been, we've been sitting in the carriage for 18 months and it hasn't moved yet.
He tautohito a tā Solomon I tēnei ao Tiaki Tamariki, kua tiaki ai ngā tūhuratanga motuhake. Kua arehi hoki I ngā kaupaparanga hau o Rangatamariki.
Our terms of reference, we were to look at the relationships of Rangatamariki with family, whānau, hapu, iwi, Māori. We were to look at the social work practice within Rangatamariki, and we were to look at the culture within Rangatamariki with the aim of coming back to give the minister an assurance that things were going well. We could not do that.
Hei tā te Premier Tuarua, ka tāwhiriki tōna tūranga hau.
And the most important thing we can do now is focus on giving communities, particularly Māori communities, a role here. And I really admire the work that the group's been doing, and that having Tā Mark in charge of it now I think will be a really powerful step forward.
Mā te whakapono me te u o rātunga ke atu, ea ai ngā wawata nui o Tā Mark mā ngā tamariki.
If you go back to the Children's Act of 1989, it just doesn't mention OT. It mentions all the other Crown agencies too, MSD, Police, Correction, Crime Order. And the question that we put to the Minister, well, where are those other agencies? And with the Minister, pardon, I said, well, if you look out your window, I think they're just over there on the edge of the horizon, watching back at what OT's doing, but they're actually not doing their role in how we look after our children.
Ko te mana ko ia ka hua mai te kōrure mo te huanga o ngā tamariki mokopuna. Muri wai hei, te karere.